Hey everybody, Auto Glass Helpline here. I believe I had a request for somebody asking about rain sensors and putting on the QC4, the binary here with the mixed tube. So we're going to go ahead and throw one of these up here. So just going to basically screw your mixed tube on the end here. You got your plungers. Pretty straightforward. You don't want to overfill this because you do not want to make a mess. You don't want this to bleed off onto the sides if at all possible. What I'll typically do is I'll fill it right from the center here. Get a pretty good little ball going here in the middle, and then I'll start working my way around these edges and keeping it as even as possible all the way around these edges as it starts to get closer. And you'll see it as it meets that edge and seals itself. And you want to have it up just a little bit from that edge so you get a nice clean connection. You can add some drops here to kind of fill in any low spots you might happen to see. And then this is a 10-minute cure, so we're just going to let this sit for 10 minutes and then we will put it on our new windshield. Simple as that, guys. Until next time, see you in the next video.